With a global snail population reaching billions and reproducing exponentially each year, 70% of them are influenced by human hands. From the early days when they hatch, through their growth process, to reaching maturity, they are nurtured under the careful hands of experienced farmers. Each year, the farm can harvest millions of snails, creating a massive output. What motivates farmers to raise this type of animal? Right now, without making you wait any longer, let's dive into the journey of exploring the snail farming operation together. Once the healthiest individuals have been harvested, the snails are brought indoors. These farms are carefully designed to replicate the snail's natural living conditions, ensuring they grow healthily and reproduce consistently. During the harvesting process, the soil boxes and eggs are collected simultaneously before being separated, with the number of eggs potentially reaching millions. The eggs are gently separated from the soil to avoid damage and are placed into foam boxes for incubation. Outside the farm, farmers use wooden planks to create a natural living environment and protect the snails from weather conditions. The wooden planks are placed on the ground to help retain necessary moisture and provide shade, creating an ideal environment for the snails to grow. Snails typically reach their ideal size and weight after about 5 to 7 months of rearing. Waiting until the snails reach their full size and have sturdy shells is the best time for harvesting. Snails may be small creatures in nature, but they play a significant role in the cosmetics and medical industries due to their nutrient-rich mucus. The presence of snails in ecosystems contributes to environmental balance, highlighting their importance to both nature and humans. Thank you all for listening and following along. See you next time. Rated among the top types of fish for its soft, white meat that is extremely fragrant and sweet. It is a type of fish born and raised in large ponds and lakes, but influenced by human hands. They have exceeded the natural growth rate with an unforeseeable level of surpassing. Tilapia accounts for 70% of global exports. Right now, without making you wait any longer, let's begin our journey to explore the artificial breeding process of tilapia. At the factory, workers pour the snails into large tanks for cleaning to remove mud and impurities from their shells before they undergo the mucus extraction process. The snails are placed in a specialized device where the environment is adjusted to create a warm and humid space. This is the ideal condition to stimulate the snails to secrete their natural mucus. Snail mucus undergoes sterilization and purification steps, retaining nutrients such as allantoin, collagen, elastin, and glycolic acid, beneficial components for the skin. The mucus is blended with other ingredients to create products such as moisturizers, serums, and masks, offering effective skin nourishment and anti-aging benefits. Snail meat is often prepared in various ways, including cooking, seasoning, and canning for long-term preservation while maintaining its rich, distinctive flavor. Canned snail meat can be used in a variety of dishes, ranging from appetizers such as snails, sautéed with garlic or herb butter sauce, to filling pastries or adding depth to hearty stews. Their food at the farms is typically pellet feed, which is produced with a complete nutritional composition to help the fish grow quickly and uniformly. Tilapia need to be fed 2 to 3 times a day, with adjustments made based on their nutritional needs and growth rate. After approximately 6 to 8 months when the fish reach market size, this is also the happiest time for farmers as they proceed with the harvest. Tilapia is a fish species with an incredibly rapid reproduction rate. The female can lay up to thousands of eggs, and the male fertilizes them externally. This fish species has a unique way of protecting its eggs after fertilization. The mother holds all the eggs in her mouth to safeguard them in her oral cavity. At 1 month old, their ability to adapt to the living environment becomes quite stable. They are then transferred from the incubation tank to the main farming pond. To ensure the fish do not experience temperature shock or oxygen deficiency, they are usually packed into aerated plastic bags. The tanker truck filled with tilapia is opened, and the water discharge system starts operating, creating a strong flow that directs the fish straight into the automated conveyor system. The line of fish flows over from the automatic conveyor belt to the sorting area, where workers inspect the size, color, and freshness of the fish, discarding any that do not meet standards. Meanwhile, the workers must operate in a synchronized manner to maintain production speed and prevent bottlenecks on the line. After preliminary processing, the fish are sent to the skinning area. This is a crucial step to produce fillets with consistent thickness, shape, and quality. Process on a modern production line, where workers carefully arrange each piece of fish into trays and weigh the final product before packaging.
No limits, just pure thrill. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping journey where heavy cargo transport, stunning accidents, and incredible skills collide. Don't miss the intense and surprising moments on every track. What's going on? You'll have to see for yourself. The Noello excavator was moving down the truck, using its long arms to press against the ground and lift itself up. Unfortunately, during the process, with powerful engines and long-lasting performance, they complete the task quickly and efficiently. However, minimizing environmental impact is a priority. With just a few blows from the Atlas excavator, an old building completely collapses in the blink of an eye. Powered by a 400 horsepower engine, the Atlas proves to be an incredibly powerful tool, even in difficult conditions. In another scenario, a 300 horsepower cat tractor is pulling a John Deere 8410T stuck in the mud. The rescue of the mixer proves to be especially challenging, requiring exceptional strength and skill to complete the task. Unbelievable! The impressive fire engine performs spectacular stunts at the steam fair, puffing smoke and pulling off dramatic wheelies. The sight is truly breathtaking, showcasing the vehicle's power and superiority. Have you ever seen anything like this? Yes, we can do this on the road, but we've also done it before. Watch the impressive performance of the Komatsu, with its powerful 350 horsepower engine, as it moves itself onto the truck. This seesaw scene not only demonstrates the machine's capabilities but also highlights the professionalism and dexterity of the transporter, earning everyone's admiration. The demolition process at the dedicated recycling plant is going strong with the VTN Scrapshear C7000. With its 500 horsepower engine, the cutter easily handles tough materials, creating an impressive scene at the factory. It demonstrates its durability and outstanding efficiency. Before. The unloading process of the BB Fanta bottom barge is truly a masterpiece of human engineering. The powerful machines, once thought to exist only in blockbuster movies, are now right before our eyes, leaving everyone in awe. Done. It was too intense. Machinery. What do you think of the Brockrock splitter in the ventilation tunnel? With its powerful 50 horsepower motor, this machine creates a rumbling sound that echoes through the tunnel as it breaks through hard rocks. Its strength and durability are truly impressive, especially in such harsh environments. Imagine dropping anything you want to crush into the Unisher SR500, powered by a 500 horsepower motor. When wooden pallets are crushed in seconds, it may seem almost unfair, but that's just how powerful and efficient this machine truly is. In tight spaces without the need for a ramp. This modern machine, known for its versatility and exceptional power, is an indispensable tool for construction and demolition work.